Good morning, mushrooms. Today we're doing a harvest of an elm oyster from a 7.5 pound mushroom substrate block. This is our first flush of elm oysters. As you can see, we have a nice beautiful flush of mushrooms here, and we're harvesting them at the right time with the caps curled down. This is pretty much exactly what I was hoping for when it comes to mushrooms. You know, you could get a bigger flush, a bigger pin set. You know, I'm sure there's definitely things I need to improve on my environment. So for a new mushroom grower, this is definitely something I'm going to call a success. And you can hear the spray bottle running. You don't need to have sterile hands when you do this. I just like to make sure my hands are clean because I'm going to be putting this in my fridge. Might be in there for a couple of days, so I don't want to have any germs on my hands when I'm doing this. You know, just common sense. So we're just going to take these and try to, as much as we can, try to harvest one bunch at a time all together. Kind of a little bit of a practice for when I'm harvesting it for sale, because I don't want to be breaking everything up. I found in the past I've done a lot of damage when I'm harvesting, and want to learn how to avoid doing that. So I think I got this batch right here, this one group, and I'm going to kind of twist it, and it came off. All in one nice big group. Now we do have some substrate here. I think if I were to sell these, you know, I'd probably have to come along here. I'd probably have to split this off as a separate group, and obviously I'd have to cut off this extra substrate here. But this is going to be going in my fridge. I'm just going to be bagging it up as it is. And then the rest of the bag here, we have another little fruiting body coming through. Nice little trumpet here, look at him. What a pretty mushroom, huh? So we're going to take him out just like before. Now, I don't know when it comes to selling at markets if people would take this and package it up alongside some other mushrooms, or if this is something you would just leave at home. That's something I'll have to do some research on and check it out. But that's okay. We don't need to talk about that right now necessarily. And then the last little group down here. And I'll put up in the video, you'll see how much this weighed after it's all harvested. And I like to come along, I'm not sure if this part's really necessary, but any of your failed pins, I just like to come along and remove those. I feel that it gives the mycelium a fresh chance. I'm not sure if it's necessary. But there you go, that's your Elm Oyster harvest. I definitely hope you enjoyed that video, and there will be more to come. Even short little videos like this can be enjoyable to people, so let me know if you like this, and I'll keep them coming.